Did you know that a highly engaged customer brings in 23% more revenue than an average customer? Hey, this is Josias. Engaging with customers is crucial for business growth, especially during uncertain times. When you proactively help customers across the journey, you create a loyal customer base, improve customer satisfaction, and drive business growth. These are some of the reasons why customer engagement is extremely important, and the right customer engagement strategy will help you make your marketing more effective and will help your business grow. Let's delve into the reasons why customer engagement is crucial so that your marketing becomes more effective and your business grows. With customer engagement, you increase customer loyalty. Establishing a strong bond with customers fosters loyalty, encourages them to choose your brand over your competitors. Customer engagement initiatives such as personalized interactions, tailored offers, personalized videos, and proactive customer support demonstrate that you actually value your customers and their needs. This emotional connection builds trust and loyalty, leading to long-term relationships with your customers. Customer engagement increases customer satisfaction. When customers feel engaged and heard, they are more likely to be satisfied with their overall experience. You can satisfy and go beyond customer expectations by asking for feedback. This level of customer satisfaction not only improves customer loyalty, but also generates positive word-of-mouth recommendations. Customer engagement helps you enhance brand advocacy, but at the same time, with that, you can also reach your target audience in a more effective way. Engaged customers become brand advocates. They actually promote your products and services to their network. Through a superior customer experience, you improve customer engagement metrics. As a result, it becomes easier to impact your target audience. Happy customers bring more happy customers. It's that simple. These loyal customers are not just buyers. They actually endorse your brand through testimonials, social media posts, online reviews, and you name it. With the right customer engagement strategy in place, you can increase customer lifetime value. Customer engagement strategies have a direct impact on customer lifetime value. By nurturing relationships with your customers, you encourage repeat purchases and upselling opportunities. Engaged customers spend more. These customers are less likely to churn, reducing customer acquisition cost and enhancing your bottom line. Customer engagement gives you a competitive advantage. Let's keep it simple. The marketplace is crowded. We've noticed this at Pirsonal. Back in the day, we were one of the few personalized video software companies in the market. However, the market has rapidly evolved with new alternatives. Many of these alternatives don't have the same capabilities we do, but they do distract potential buyers. However, one of the key factors of success for Pirsonal has been the way we engage with customers. Also God's help, to be honest. We understand that most brands are not personalized video experts. It's their first time. So by walking with them and providing expert help, we help them succeed. Most of our clients appreciate our focus on people over technology, even when our technology or platform or software, you name it, is one of the most flexible, scalable, secure platforms in the market. So even when our clients value flexibility, for example, and self-service tools and all those things that are related to products and platform and technology, many of them, most of them value our service because we literally walk with them digitally to help them succeed. This gives us a competitive edge. Effective customer engagement provides this kind of advantage. In summary, when customers are engaged, they are more likely to be loyal to your brand, to keep buying, recommend your brands to others, provide valuable feedback and insights, and act as brand advocates. On the other hand, low customer engagement also comes with many challenges that you want to avoid. Decreased customer retention, increased customer churn, negative word of mouth, missed growth opportunities, and so on. You want to avoid those things. Given these implications, businesses must focus on customer engagement more than ever. This is the way to thrive in a competitive marketplace. As you can see, customer engagement pays back. So what are you going to do about this? Deliver personalized experiences, exceptional customer service, and relevant content to engage with your customers in a unique way that will help you serve them better, will help them grow with your brand, and will help you all be happier. This uniqueness that you can apply to your marketing, to your sales, to your customer service, to the quality of your products, to absolutely everything, will not only bring new customers, attract new customers, but also will help you solidify your brand's position in the marketplace, making it harder for your competitors to replicate your success. Customer engagement cannot be replicated the same way a product or even a service can. I hope you found this video helpful. Now it's your time to think about different ways you can improve, enhance, increase customer engagement across the customer journey. As you can see, it does pay back. And also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.